It is currently like 10 degrees in here. Oh my God, no way. I forgot this is strip. This is rounded. Look at that shit. Oh my God, my caliper is no longer attached. Okay, hello. Not this. So it shouldn't have just came off like that. That's kind of, what? How did that, wait, I didn't even question that shit. Last time I put my tire on, this is when I was replacing my rear sprocket. It was already rounded, but by the time I got back on, I knew like I was gonna be fucked. Little did I know how correct I was. Look at, oh, camera's over there. Look at, what the hell is this, bro?